Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are cover what is the comparison operators in C language. So we have around 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 comparison operators. So with the help of all the comparison operator we can see the real-time examples and also solve some particular problem so you better understand. So here I'm writing the all the comparison operator. Here you can say this double equals to means equals to for using checking the particular. For here you can see the example y equal to x equal to y or not. So in simple terms the comparison operator always return instead all true or false. If this particular condition is true, then he return the true. If this particular condition is false, then he return as the false. So this is all about how to what is comparison operator and how to the. Here you can say not equals to, this symbol is represent as a not equals to. If this y not equal to, sorry, x not equal to y, then he give the output as the true. If this particular condition is false, then he use the output as the false. Here also we have the greater than and less than, greater than, less than, and the less than, greater than. This is all about. And I know I'm this one and this one and the last four operators I also use in the when I teach you to if condition and if else condition, all the things. So let's I open my VS Code and explain the all the comparison operators and how it's work. So let's start. So I open my VS Code and here I'm writing all the codes. So first time we are discussing what is the what is the equals to operator, double equals to operator. So let's suppose we have one value. Let's suppose we have one value int a equals to 10 and int b equals to also 10. And if I print it, let's suppose I print in the print, we are simply print the value. And what I do, a equals to b. If a equals to b, he print the value as the one. Because in the this is the, I earlier said, this is the in the comparison operator, this is the return only two values. Neither is false and neither is true. Means simply just he return only two values, true and sorry true and false. So in true and false. So in C, when he return as a 1, we consider as the true. When he return as the 0 we consider as the false. So let's run it. If he this particular method, printf method, return the value as the 0, then we know about return the value is the 1. When we know about the a equals to a values and b equal to both are the same, then why he return the 1. If this particular function return as the false, then we know about a equals to b condition is false. So let's run it. If I run it, here you can say a is printed because this a value is 10. 10 equals to b. Yeah, condition is true because 10 equals to b. That's why he return the value as the 1. If I change the value of b, yeah, a, and after then I run it, so he return as the 0. So here you can say the 0 is returned. So this is all about equals to operator. If I use the not equals to operator, so if not equals to operator, reverse of the equals to operator. So let's I use the slash n for new line, slash n, and here also I use slash n. So here what I do, I simply write a not equals to b. So here is the, I earlier say a not equals to b. So not equals to mean the reverse of the equals to. If both a and b, if a and b are not equal, not equals means a and b are both are the different, then it return as true. If both are the same, then it return is the false. So let's run it. And so let's run it, and here you can say he give me the output as the 1 because a and b is not equals means both are the different. If I consider if I write both are the same and run it, so here you can say you give me the output at the 0 because both are the equals. I here we checking a not equal to b, then this particular condition is going to the false, that's why I return at the 0. Don't worry about, I also use the if condition and so the all the example in the using if condition, so don't worry about this. After then what I do, I use the printf. In printf I simply use the percent d greater than. So what I do, I simply write a greater than b. So here you can say, and I comment this two. So here I write a greater than b. In simple, a value is 10, 10 greater than 10, condition is false, then he return as the 0. So here you can say return as the 0. If I write printf same thing, percent d, and here simply write a greater than equals to b. Here I using a slash, and if I write a greater than equals to b, so in here we checking a equals to a greater than means that 10 greater than 10, he give me the output as the false, that's why we printed the as the 0. But here you can say, here we checking the both. First we check a greater than 10, condition is false, and also here we using the equals to. So if I first check greater than the 10, no, condition is false. Again he check the equals to 10, that's why not greater than but equals to 10, so he give me the output as the true. And when he gives the output as the true, our console, yeah, our output generated by 1. So this is all about. Let's I run it, and here I can say, sorry for that, I'm missing the semicolon, sorry, comma. So after then here you can say, in the second he print as a true because a greater than equals to 10, not greater than but equals to 10. So when we using the greater than equals to, if I first check the greater than, after then he checking the equals to, both he checks. So this is all about how to check the greater than and greater than equals. Let's try to check the printf percent d, percent d slash n, and here we check less than a less than b. So as you know, he checked a less than b, here a and b both are the same, so he gave me the output as the false. And after then I print percent d a greater than a equals to, greater than equals to, a greater than equals to b. So this is, and the second one is the give me the condition, this one is the give me the as the true because it is not greater than but what equals to, then he give me the output as the true. So let's run it. Sorry for that, what's happened here. Oh sorry, here I'm missing the comma, that's why he give me the error. After then I run it. Here you can say a is printed, a greater than equal to, no, condition is false because a and b both value are same, that's why he give me the false. Here you can say a greater than equals to, here a is not greater than, sorry for that, a less than equal to b, no, condition is false because both are the same. And here you can say a less than equals to b, not less than but equals to the b, that's why he give me the output as the 1. What I do, I simply change the value 8. After changing the value, a less than b, condition is false, so he print the value as a false. And here a less than equal to b, yes, not less than equal to b, then he also give that one as the false. If I what I do, I simply write here 5. So a less than b, yes, condition true, a less than equal to b, yes, condition true, then he give me the output as the 1 1. So this is all about how to check the all the comparison operator. Let's say remove it all the things, and after then simply not remove or simply cut it and paste here. I simply paste here, control V. After then what I do, in this particular line I simply use the if condition. So I simply write if 5. I'm not taking any variables, I take the value. If 5 greater than 2, if 5 greater than 2, then print simply I print true, true. So else I also using the else. So in else simply print the false. So if I run it, here you can say 5 greater than 2, condition is true, so he print the our console as the true. If I write here 1 greater than 2, no, condition is false, then he return the print the else is here he execute the else block and the return the false. This is all about the greater than. If I use the equals to here, 1 equals to 2, no, condition is false, so when I run it, he give me the false. If I here I put also 2, then 2 equals to 2, yes, then he give me the output as the true. Let's suppose I print not equals to a, not equals to true, condition is false because a equals to true, then that's why he condition is the false and he print the false. Here you can say print the false. If here I write anything else 1, so a not equal to 1, yes, condition is true because a not equals to 1, that's when he print the true. So this is all about. If I using greater than less than equal to, so 2 less than equal to 1, condition is false, so he return the false. If I here writing 5 and again we check 2 less than equal to 5, yes, condition is true, then he print as a 2. So this is all about the comparison operators. So thank you for watching this video.